If you focus on for next 5 to 10 minutes, it can literally change your life and scale your business by giving you competitive advantage as it did for so many other people, as you can see on the screenshots right on your screen. They have all followed the same exact methods and the strategies that I have taught them over the last 2 years. But first, for people who do not know about dropshipping, it is a very easy business model where you sell a good at a high price, let's say $30, and then you find a retailer who can give your customers the same item for less than, let's say, $10, and you make the profits in between, which in this case is approx $20. See guys, e-commerce is a $1 trillion market. Millions of new products come in market every now and then. Now as a consumer, think about it. When you want some product, what do? You either search it on Amazon or Google, and studies have shown again and again that there are 50-50 searches made on Amazon and Google if you want a certain product. Now if you want to sell on Amazon, it's definitely a great business model. I have done it in the past, but the problem with that method is it requires tons of money upfront for inventory. We even have to put thousands of dollars for every single product in inventory cost before you see any signs of that product to be a winning one and bringing in sales. Plus, the control of the business is entirely in the hands of Amazon, which is not good at all since they may suspend your account at any time. Again, this has happened to me multiple times in the past. They do not give you access to the customer emails or any other details. That's why it's far better to use Google Ads with dropshipping, where do not face any similar things. Plus the market size is same, which is 50% for Google Ads, and in dropshipping you can scale very fast because you don't have to worry about any limited inventory you have, as you only have to worry about it when you get enough orders. Everyone is teaching Facebook ads and dropshipping on YouTube. That's why this is a big untapped market, which is where a very tiny minority of people are making millions of dollars from Google shopping ads. Now, this is the exact same reason why I personally used Facebook ads in my starting journey of entrepreneurship and dropshipping. Over the years, I have perfected my strategy with Facebook ads. I remember back in the time I invested around 8 to 10 months and over $3,000 to $4,000, $5,000 invested in Facebook advertisements before I became profitable and found a so-called winning product. So there's a lot of experience that has to be gained when it comes to Facebook advertisements. But what I have learned over the past 2 years has literally changed the game, and I have been able to teach the same things to other people over and over again, and they are able to create a successful business for themselves as well using the same exact strategy. But when I came across this thing, Google shopping ads, 2 years back, the game changed at that moment. Before that, I was putting thousands of dollars in product testing and things like that. Since then, since 2 years, I have been focusing more on Google ads instead of Facebook ads. And I have seen over and over again that people who start doing the same thing get their profitable store within sometimes less than $100, which was completely insane and a game changer. And this thing cannot be promised by some other method. You can go around with Insta influencers, but we are talking about building an automated system here, which works on complete autopilot, because that is the true essence of laptop lifestyle. Since there are systems you place one time which keeps generating your passive income for years and years to come, so you can live the life as it was meant to be lived. So for that life, hustle, but not in the wrong direction. Take a step in building a automated system which can provide you passive income for years and years to come. See, Shopify is giving 90 days free trial as of now due to COVID-19. Guys, people are using this Google shopping ads business model to build a successful dropshipping stores, and not a lot of people talk about this because it works. Things that work are not being taught. Understand this. People only talk about interest targeting, but you have to understand what happens with Facebook is you show advertisements to people who are targeted by Facebook based on their interest, but without a strong mature pixel, interest targeting doesn't work some of the time properly, and you even have to invest thousands of dollars to make it work and collect that pixel data. So what happens with Google ads is people search for something on Google, let's say shoes, and whatever, like if they have searched that particular shoe item and they are definitely interested in that buying that shoe item, and Google will do the hard work for us. It will target the people who are searching for that particular shoe item, and it will show them our products from our Shopify store, and all of a sudden these people are very warm lead and they are looking to buy. They will click on the advertisement, they are gonna come to our website and they are gonna buy from us. And what happens is now you don't have the product, you have the website. So you go out there and find a supplier who can ship with the particular shoe item to that person in USA. And definitely, and there are a lot of suppliers out in the world who can ship those items. But the most important, like, is the most resourceful country in terms of manufacturing and things like that is China. So you will get the cheapest item China, and you will sell them at $20 profit margin, $30 profit margin, and similarly so on. Now what happens is, if you sell one item for $20, there is a certainly huge demand for it. Let's say if the shoe item are searched on Google, let's say 30,000 searches per month, a particular shoe item. Now it means there are 1,000 searches per day. Now these are the number of searches people are doing on Google. They want the product, and we can literally get those people onto our websites by showing them the advertisements. This is how the game is changed, because they are already looking for that particular shoe item. We just have to present them a better offer, and they will come on our store, they will buy from us. The conversion rates are literally very high, sometimes between 5 to 20%. I even got 16% in one of my past stores. So this was absolutely crazy, because people are already searching for that item and they are already ready to buy it. And if you show a particular ad to them where they already want the product, they click on it, they buy. There is no other thing until your website is very sketchy and your logo is not properly designed or something like that, that might decrease your conversions. But you will start getting sales because you are showing your advertisement on the right place, because people want the product and you are there for with the solution. So what is the strategy? The strategy is, we put thousands of products in a store and we advertise all of them at the same time and in a particular ad budget, let's say $50 per day. And what happens is, Google will go out there with its smart algorithm and test those products with the certain bid limit which we put, and then it will find us the product which gives us sales. That means the product has less competition and it will consistently bring us sales. And if some product shows good metrics, by good metrics I mean if it is bringing in 50 sales for the first day, and then on the next day it is bringing 55 sales, and on the third day then it's bringing 45 sales, and similarly so on, and it continues for a month, then what happens is, we know that for sure that that product is a winning product, and we can use that product in bringing in 6 figures, 7 figures of sales in the years and years to come. So we will use that. And the guys, products on Google shopping ads never, like, most of the time they never saturate until there is a competition already there, until you tell anyone about your winning products. There is hardly any time when I have seen my products die. Most of the time it will work for 1-2 years or even more. Now what we do is, we get consistent number of sales for the products and we will create a completely niche store. And guys, only top level marketers know that the niche store or a branded store is the way to go. People don't generally like dropshipping, and they do not like dropshipping stores. When you build a brand, you communicate with your customers and you become a lifelong image in their mind, and they will continue to buy from you from years and years to come. And what happens with the niche store, it's a very personalized look and colors and some psychological factors around that winning product, and it converts far better than the general dropshipping stores. That's why we go after the niche store or a one product store. And we become profitable with Google Ads in less than 10 days, so we can put all that money back onto the business, and we keep running the business for next 30 days with Google Ads, and so that we can generate a huge amount of cash up front, and then we put that cash into Facebook advertisements. And with Facebook advertisements we can really put $1,000 and we can create a long-term brand and expect to make a long-term profit margin by building a chatbot subscriber list or things like bigger email list, bigger data, pixel data. And that is the way to go. That is the entire procedure we follow in Shopify Heroes Masterclass. See, our goal from the starting is to build a long-term 6-figure brand which generates you profit every single month to come. But we will leverage the power of dropshipping in the starting, so that we never put any money from our own side. That's what we aim for. Your goal is to build a branded store. The brand is the way to go. When you build a brand, you can make a lifelong profit, lifelong customers, and you can create what is known as a value proposition, and you can charge them recurring income or something like that by launching new things, new ebooks, new products, which no one other can do that, because competitive advantage is the number one thing we must have in the business. That is the most important thing. That is what gives us 5 to 10 times more profit than the general dropshipping stores. It will separate you from all other people who are doing the same exact thing in dropshipping. That is the entire process we follow. And if you are interested in this thing, you are on the right place. And if you are looking to like go on, and if you're wondering like how much money it is required for initial Google Ads testing, so I would say take $300 apart from the mentorship cost and you will become profitable in that. And if you run properly and reinvest in your business, the business can even scale to $10,000, $50,000. It's based upon you, and there are no limits where a business can be scaled to. If you enroll in now, I'm going to guarantee you that you will be getting lifetime upgrades for free, from store creation to marketing and everything in between, which are happening in Shopify Heroes all the time. And we are partnering with a lot of brands, so you will get their applications which will otherwise cost you $10 to $100 per month. I have got this theme customized by my developers with $500 just for putting the sales elements, CSS, tactics, and psychological tricks to increase more and more sales and optimize the conversion rate. So you will be getting all of that. You do not have to do anything other than the initial cost. So if you decide to join in now, this can be your best time before we turn this thing into a monthly subscription, because we are already planning to do it very, very soon. And you can check it on shreyanshsingh.com/ds-automation. You can see that we are going to turn it into a monthly subscription very, very soon. But today you will not be charged a monthly subscription for a mentorship fees. You will only be charged for one time, and you will get all the updates. We keep doing live streams every other week in our Shopify Heroes private family. So you will be getting all that access, all the bonus. There are few bonuses which are very, very exclusive, like messenger bots. You will be getting access to that, and that skill is literally like worth thousands of dollars and even $10,000 depending on how you use it. So if you are willing to join and you are willing to learn more and implement this thing in the real world, make sure you join the Heroes family. I will see you inside.